Good morning, children. All of you open your maths textbooks. All of you open your maths textbooks. Page number 71. Page number 71. Okay. Yesterday I given to you homework. Okay. Yesterday I given to you homework. That is 71 page number 9th bit D problem and E problem. Okay. Did you done that homework? Are you done? Okay. Okay, I hope you all are completed that homework. Once check the answers. Okay, 3 minus 1, that is 2. 9 minus 7, that is 2. The answer is D problem answer is 22. Okay, and E problem answer, see here, 8 minus 5, that is 3 answer. And 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, E problem answer is 13 and D problem answer is 22. Once check your answers. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, then first chapter completed now. Now today we are going to next chapter, that is 73 page number, numbers up to 1000. The chapter, second chapter name is numbers up to 1000. Okay. Okay. See here. In this chapter we have to learn up to 1000 numbers. Okay. We have learn up to 1000 numbers. Okay, we will learn 1000 numbers, up to 1000 numbers. Then see here, warm up. Warm up here, there. See here, read this sentence. Read these stories and fill in the blanks. Read these stories and fill in the blanks. Okay, that means what? Here one problem given. Okay, read this problem and fill in the blank. Here one blank given, no? Then fill in that blank. Okay. Now I am reading. See here. Ramesh has 4 packets of 10 pencil colors each. Ramesh has 4 packets of 10 pencil colors. 10 pencil colors each and 7 loose pencil colors. How many pencil colors does he have? Okay, understand this problem. See here. Ramesh has 4 packets of 10 pencil colors each. That means what? Ramesh has 4 packets of pencils. Okay, 4 packets. Each one packet have 10 pencils, 10 color pencils. Okay, understand now? Ramesh has 4 packets. Okay, what is that 4 packets? That is color pencils packets. 4 packets are there. Okay, in each one packet has 10 color pencils. In each packet has 10 pencil colors and 7 loose pencil colors. and 7 loose pencils. Means not packet, this is loose pencil colors. Okay, then how many pencil colors does he have? Then Ramesh has how many pencil colors? That is the question. Okay, understand now? Once again I am telling to you, Ramesh has 4 pencil packets and each one pencil packet has 10 pencils, 10 color pencils and 7 loose pencils, means not in packet, that is loose pencils. Okay, not in packet, that is loose pencils. So Ramesh has how many pencil colors does he have? Okay, that is the question. See here, now I am saying answer. See, Ramesh has 4 packets, no? This is 4 packets. Okay, each one pencil packet has how many color pencils? That is, each one pencil packet has 10. Okay, 10 pencils. That means what? Each one packet has 10 color pencils. That means in this packet 10 and in this packet also 10, this packet 10 and this packet also 10 pencil colors are there. Okay, and 7 loose pencils, means not in packet, that is 7 loose pencils. Okay, so how many color pencils does he have? That means what? Here 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7. So all of you, that all numbers we have to add. Okay, means see here, see 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. See here 10. How many tens are there? That is 4 tens. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 7 loose pencils. Okay, plus means add. So we have to add all numbers. Okay, see here in ones place how many numbers are there? That is 7 only. These all are zeros only, no? So here 7. So you have to write 7 here. Okay, then in tens place how many numbers are there? That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Totally how many ones are there? That is 4. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 now. So here 4. Okay, then this is the answer. Then Ramesh does 47 pencils. Ramesh have 47 pencils. Okay, here 47 is the answer. Okay, understand now? So what you have understand here? 4 pencil packets. This is 4 pencil packets. Each one pencil packet have 10 pencils. So here 10 pencils, here 10 pencils, here 10 pencils and here 10 pencils. Total how many tens? That is 4 pencil packets. 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. That means 4 into 10 also. That is also 40. Okay. How many packets? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Then each one packet how many pencils? That is 10. So 10. 4 tens are 40. And 7. Okay, and 7. That means 40 plus 7 is equal to 47 is the answer. Okay now? Understand now? Yes. Okay, then turn the next page, that is 74 page number. Okay, 74 page number. See here, in this page number, second problem given. Okay, second problem. What is the problem? That is, see, all of you read the problem. Payal has 3 3 bunches of 10 marbles each. Okay, Payal has 3 bunches of 10 marbles each. Her brother gave her 5 more marbles. How many marbles does she have now? How many marbles does she have now? Means, what is the meaning of this problem? Same, before of the problem I completed now. Same like that problem, only this also. See here Payal has 3 bunches of 10 marbles each. That means bunches, means like this, bunches means bunches of grapes, like that. Bunch means what is that? Bunches means like this one. Okay, bunches. Okay, Payal has 3 bunches of marbles, 10 marbles. That means 3 bunches. Here given 3 bunches. 1, 2, 3. 3 bunches they had given here. Okay, each one bunch has 10 marbles. Each one bunch has 10 marbles. So here 3 bunches are there. So each one bunch have 10 marbles. So this bunch have 10 marbles, and this bunch have 10 marbles, and this bunch have 10 marbles. Okay. Okay. Next, her brother gave her 5 more marbles. Her brother gave her 5 more marbles. This is not bunch. See here, this only bunch. Okay, this only bunch. This is not bunch. Okay, here 5 more marbles her brother given to him. Okay, her brother given to Payal, that is 5 more marbles. So how many marbles does she have now? So how many marbles are there here? See here, I am saying to you, I am telling to you, that is each one marble has how many each one bunch has how many marbles are there? That is 10. Here given clearly. Okay, each one bunch has 10 marbles. Each one bunch has 10 marbles. Each one bunch has 10 marbles. So here how many bunches are there? That is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 into how many marbles are there? That is 10, 10, 10. So 10. Okay, here 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30, and 5 ones means 5 individual marbles are there, no? Okay, so 30 plus 5, 30 plus 5, 30. After take 5 numbers. 30 after 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So how many marbles are there? It is 35. Okay, understand now? Okay, 3 bunches are here. Each one bunch has 10 marbles. So 5 individual marbles are there. So here each one bunch has 10 marbles. So how many bunches means, write the number. How many bunches? That is 3 bunches. And each one has how many marbles? That is 10. So 3 tens are 30 plus here 5 different 5 individual marbles are there. So here 5. 30 plus 5, that is 35. Okay, understand now? Okay, I hope you understand, all of you understand. Okay, next here one box given. See here, the downside of the problem, one box given to you. What is that? That is counting hundreds. What is that? counting hundreds. Means what is the meaning of counting 100? Means count it. See here. Here one box given. Okay. All of you open your textbooks page number 74. All of you you already opened that one, page number 74. Okay. In that 74 page number, one box given. What is that heading? Counting hundreds. Then we have to count the hundreds. Okay. Next, see here in this box, how many blocks are there? See, each one have one block. Okay. How many blocks are there in this box? See here. Count this. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here 10. 10 blocks are there. That side 10 blocks are there. So again count this side. Okay. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also 10 blocks are there. Here also 10 blocks are there. That side, on the upside of the box, 10 boxes are there, and this side 10 boxes are there. So count it. See, count it means no need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then next line 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then next line 21, 22, 23. Don't count that like. Okay. Don't count like that. See here. This side 10 boxes and this side also 10 boxes. So 10 into 10. Okay. That is 10 tens are 100. So 100 blocks are there in this box. Okay na? No need to count totally from first to last. No need to count. Then count this side and this side only. Okay. This side I am counting. So this side also same like that, only 10 no. Okay. This side how many counts are there? That is 10. So same as it is, this side also 10 is there. Okay. So like that only. So 10 tens are 100. Okay. 10 tens are 100. So in this box how many blocks are there? That is 100. See here, 100 means 10 tens. So 10 tens are 100, like that. Here 10 tens are 100. Okay now. Next, here we already know this first box have 100 blocks and this second box also have 100 blocks. So 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100. How much? 100 plus 100. That is 200. So here how many in other way? How many boxes are there here? 2 boxes, no? So 2 into each one box has how many blocks? That is 100. So 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Same answer will come. Okay. Different types of solutions. Okay. Okay. As your wish. Like this, your wish. Like this or this. Okay. You should do as you like. Okay. Okay. Here so 200. 200 answer given, no? Okay. Like that only. That means one box has 100. So here 2 boxes given. So 100 plus 100, 200. Okay, 2 boxes has 200 blocks.